194N TDS on cash withdrawals more than 1 crore as per section 194N. So that banking company or cooperative bank or post office, so payment in respect of cash withdrawn to any person whether he is a resident or non-resident, so he withdraws more than 1 crore, that they should have to deduct TDS at the rate of 2% on the entire amount of withdrawal. If he withdraws 5 crores, entire amount of 5 crores, so TDS at the rate of 2% is on the entire amount of withdrawal. So however, if return of income of all the last 3 years not filed by the payee and time limit under section 139(1) expired before the previous year, then the rates will be different. That means, so in the previous year that the return of income has not been filed by an SSC, then the rates will be changed. Normally the rate will be more than 1 to 2% at the rate of entire amount withdrawn. So if he is not filed his return of income, then the 2% is on the entire amount of cash more than 20 lakhs and less than or equal to 1 crore. So below 1 crore and more than 20 lakhs, then the TDS rate will be 2% and 5% is on the entire amount of cash more than 1 crore. So these two limits will be applicable to those person one who has not filed his return of income for all the last 3 years not filed by the payee and time limit under section 139(1) has been expired. So here we should have to note some points. TDS only at the time of payment and payment not to be included in income of payee. Monetary limit on aggregate withdrawals from all accounts of the SSC maintained in that bank. This section does not applicable if payee is government, banking company or cooperative bank or post office or any other notified persons.